Now, just like in our channels component, we're giving an active class to the active channel that we've selected. We want to do the same with our direct messages so we can see which direct messages channel that we're on. To do so, within our direct messages state, we'll add an active channel property, and then within change channel, we'll update that property depending on the channel that we're changing to, that we're clicking on, by calling set active channel, passing in the user UID, and we'll create set active channel, which takes the user ID and sets the state, sets the active channel property that we just created with the user ID. Then we'll, from our state object, destructure active channel from render and add an active prop to our menu item that we're iterating over, where we'll compare the user UID with the active channel value in state. We'll save that, and if we click on a direct messages channel, now we see a visual indication in our side panel of which direct messages channel that we're on.